Welcome to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are talking about ForeverFOMO. Shortcut ForeverFOMO already 138% in profits. CoinGecko listed 6 hours ago, but I can tell you from the beginning they are listed, they already made a 300x for sure, and I will show you why is that, okay? And before we look on their website, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave me a like, and maybe write down into the comments what you think about ForeverFOMO. Their website, ForeverFOMO.com. One of the first unique rebase contracts with only 10% taxes. 3% goes straight to liquidity for a healthy liquidity pool, 4% goes to marketing, 2% buyback, and 1% goes to ecosystem development. So, but what is ForeverFOMO? Sick and tired of all those earn and reflecting tokens? You're at the right spot here. ForeverFOMO is a price elastic token with adjusting supply moving towards the price of Bitcoin. Different than just a normal packed token stablecoin, rebases make price elastic tokens into synthetic commodities with fluctuating values and supplies that gradually stabilize. Ultimately, rebases are designed to be tradable and potentially extremely profitable. When does a rebase happen? Every 4 hours is a change in supply called a rebase. The rebase is automatically triggered by an online dashboard. Negative rebases are amplified to make ForeverFOMO returning to positive rebase territory faster. Rebases are triggered 6 times a day for 360 epochs every 8 hours. In one epoch, every ForeverFOMO will do a price rebase that will increase the price 8%. So if I listen to that, they want to tell us that this token, finally just go up with the price. Did I understand it right? Please write down into the comments how this exactly works and help us to understand it, what exactly is going on with this token. It's easy, but maybe you're new, so just follow those steps and get ready. Here they want to show you how to buy this ForeverFOMO token. They have also a roadmap here, phase 1, 2, and phase 3. And for sure, that was everything for an FOMO token, for a hype token, for a, I don't know, man. There's not much behind it, so I cannot tell you much about this token, right? I just can tell you they have a Telegram group with 1500 members right now, 700 are online. For sure, they have a Twitter account, ForeverFOMO, and you see this big green line just go one direction, and that means up. So we are looking right now on the chart, on the Bitcoin chart, and I can see the same as others see. Okay, we start here, price from, let it be 12, okay, 12, then we have here a 10x already, and here 100x, and right now a near 300x of this token from the point they start. So they start on maybe 24 hours ago, get listed on Binance Smart Chain, then get listed on CoinGecko, and we have now 300x. So something is going on here right now. And the thing is, until people realize it, I hope there will be not a rug pull, but right now it's not looking that it will be, but danger is very high because we have a massive gain on price increase here, right? And we all know if a big pump come, then also a big dump can come, right? A big dip, and no one wants to step inside this dip right now, so that's why right now it's not much happening. But I think people are in with 168,000 US dollars market cap right now, near $1 million, and I think there's a huge potential, another 100x this token for sure the next days. Why not? If they are doing what they're telling, right? So let me know what you think about this project, ForeverFOMO. You have some experience with the community, or you can tell us more about FOMO, how it works, ForeverFOMO, why this massive increase of profits, and why they tell us there will be just one direction, and this is up. So let me know into the comments what you think about this project. Leave me a like and maybe subscribe to this channel. Until next video, I wish you all the best profits on the blockchain, and see you later, alligator. Bye.